Yes, my lord, but the claimant was here before, but it appears is no more. The claimant's counsel was here before, but it appears is no more here.
All right, that's fine. Yes, appearance.
Wait, in the absence of the claimant, I move to announce my appearance for the defendant. My name is Khalid Abbas. Khalid is spelled Khalid. Abbas is spelled Abbas.
Yes.
Appearing with me is S. Ega. Ega is spelled Eggah. One will announce our appearance for the defendant.
All right. Is the claimant present?
The claimant is not present. I don't know, something, please, can you call him?
Well, I am trying to call him because
Talking about
but
the
then
council. The
what
council.
he's telling me, the claimant counsel, he's telling me that he's been trying to reconnect, but it's not reconnecting.
I see.
He just sent me an SMS, but I don't know. You know, he was actually here earlier.
Yeah, I was here earlier. I saw him here.
I don't know.
So what do you suggest?
Malik, can we just give him 5 minutes or 2 minutes to join?
Very well, then. We'll go to the next case. We have another matter. Unless they are not here, are the parties for the other case here in court? Only one. Okay, we have to.
Samson, what's he saying?
Well, he's not saying anything yet.
Okay. How come we have, okay, these are the exhibits I see. So that's right. So I will give you 5 minutes, and thereafter, if the claimant is not available, we'll have to take an adjournment.
Let's go, please.
Please. Samson, please call him more gently now. Why is he doing like that?
I'm even dialing his number as we speak.
It's his case now. Why is he doing like that?
Well, if he's not ready to go, maybe we'll just call our witness, tender the document.
The court said adjournment, so we should not take that risk. The court said adjournment. It's not going to want the way the man is, the way the judge is, the demeanor of the judges is not going to allow.
Yes, sir. So, but the court is waiting for you. I don't know what exactly is your challenge. Okay, because we're all up and waiting for you.
What did he say?
Well, they're trying to reconnect. Yes, sir. I see. So the court has given a 5 minute stand down, and we are still waiting for you. If you don't come up in 5 minutes, I don't know what will happen.
I think it's the one. Is he the one that has joined? Samson, can you come with the Infinix Notes? Is he the one that has joined? Samson, you're on mute.
Sorry, I said it's one of the supporting staff in the court.
Oh,
Hmm. Clement. Yana mkamani vipi? Ni Clement. Ikashinti ni matajira. Hmm? Ipashe kujaribu mbele. Ega. Ega. Samson. Ega sini barushi. Belki bir tanesini akine alabilirim.
All right, are they here now? Is the claimant there?
he's here. He's here now.
All right.
Yes, I'm here.
I think you should apologize for the lateness, sir.
Are you ready to proceed? Claimant?
Mr. Gokat,
If the claimant can hear us, we are ready to proceed if he is.
Oh,
All right.
sorry,
Defendant,
we're ready to proceed, my lord. Our witness is here. We're ready to proceed.
the claimant apparently is not ready.
My lord, the rules of the court is very clear, my lord. The court fixed today for for our defense. The claimant had notice. I think he's here now. Please, can we go on, sir?
Yes. Yes, I'm here.
All
We
right.
cannot.
Well,
The defendant
Yes.
came for defense today.
Yes, my lord.
All right.
Yes, I'm here.
You've not
Cat,
announced your appearance.
my
You've
lord,
not announced your appearance.
with your kind permission, may I announce my appearance?
Yes, go ahead.
My name is Kat. My name is Gokat Gideon. I most humbly put in my appearance for the claimant.
All right.
Most grateful, my lord.
Your visual is a bit dark. I don't know whether this one of your device.
Yes. It's
okay. It's the sun.
I don't know. It's the sun. It's a story.
All right. Let's not waste any more time. Is the defendant's counsel ready for hearing today? Defense.
My lord, we are ready. Our witness is also here. Our witness is Favor Joel. She's here.
All right. Yes, you would have to. Where is he?
She's here, my lord. She's on the. Her name is Favor Joel.
Okay. He has to affirm. Come online and affirm.
Favor, unmute yourself, please.
All right. So you have to affirm to speak the truth and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
I affirm to speak the truth and nothing but the truth, so help me God.
Witness has been affirmed or has affirmed to speak the truth.
Let's go, please.
Is she DW1?
My lord, we have just one witness, my lord. So she's our only witness, sole witness, TW1. Yes, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
Tell this honorable court your name, address, and your occupation.
My name is Miss Favor Joel. My address is number 10, Shetima A, Mungono Crescent,
Okay.
Abuja.
Just Abuja is fine.
Okay.
Yes.
What is your occupation? Your occupation.
My occupation is wages officer and HR personnel, human resource personnel at Julius Berger Nigerian PLC.
How long have you been in?
Just a minute, counsel.
As God please.
Now, what did you say was your designation again?
Wages officer and HR, human resource personnel.
All right.
At Julius Berger Nigerian PLC.
Yes, defense counsel, continue.
How long have you been in your role with the defendants?
Well, volume, I can't hear you.
How long have you been in your role with the defendants? How long have you been in your role with the defendants?
Since 2021 up to date, that's 4 years now.
My lord, did you hear that? My lord, did you hear me, sir?
I'm sorry,
There was a little network glitch. My lord.
We seem to be having an issue with the audio. All of a sudden, the audio isn't working.
Are you getting me? Is it clearer now, my lord?
My lord, can you hear me now?
It's clearer. It's clearer.
Okay, so I said my question was, how long have you been in your role with the defendants?
I've been here since 2021 up to date. That's 4 years now.
Do you recall?
Yes, go ahead.
Do you recall deposing to a written statement or note dated the 17th day of February 2025?
Yes.
My lord, I'd just like to confirm the process on how we can show her a copy of the written statement, my lord.
I want to understand that we all have copies of that statement.
As
As
copy.
the call places, yes, we
One that
do.
was filed on the
It is,
17th
I do.
of February 2025 is taken as adopted.
As
As
the call
copy.
places.
As the copy places.
Yes.
In paragraph 3.6,
How many documents have you in total?
we have 3 documents, my lord. Just 3 documents.
I have 3 documents to tender as follows.
The claimant's pay sheets,
Hold on. The claimant's
pay sheets,
pay slips.
sheets.
sheets.
It's called pay sheets, my lord.
Page
Claimant's pay sheets from when to when?
So confirm.
From which period?
But I just want to confirm, my lord. My lord, if I may start again, the first document is the claimant's leave paper. Leave paper. The
So
claimant's
it's no longer the pay sheets. It's the
no
leave
longer the
paper.
first. Yes, the first document, my lord. Apologies for that. The first
Claimant
document,
leave paper
leave paper,
for when?
from 16th February 2022 till 18th February 2022. They
To
are,
18th February.
I know they're a couple, so they are is dated. They are the first. They are different. There are different dates on each of the documents, my lord.
Defendant's counsel, you have to be sure of what you're tendering right now. You
As
have
a
to be-
company,
Now, what do you tender? Is it the paper, leave paper? And if it's leave paper for what period?
so my lord, I was just explaining that there are a couple of dates on those. They are like different leave papers. So the first one is 16th February 2022 to 18th February 2022. That's the first one.
Yes.
The second one is 21 February 2022 till 25 February 2022.
That's
The third,
another leave paper.
yes, my lord.
How many leave papers are there?
They are like 1, 2, 3, my lord. 3 leave papers, my lord.
So it's only the 3 papers you are tendering through this witness.
No. That's the first document, my lord. The leave
Okay.
papers are together. That's the first document. So those 3 documents are together, my lord.
3 series of leave papers. That's
Leave papers, my lord. Leave
Yes.
papers / light duty papers, my lord.
So that's A.
Yes, my
Then
lord.
the second one is what? From which period?
The second one for the leave paper, my lord.
Yes.
The second one is 28th February 2022 till 4th of March 2022.
Yes.
Then 21st March 2022 to 21st April 2022.
And 1st March 2022 to what?
21st April 2022, my lord.
2022. Yes.
Then,
So
then
that's
the last one is 14th March 2022 till 15th March 2022. That's the end of the leave paper, my lord.
14th March 2022 to
15th March 2022, my lord.
all right. Those are for the leave papers.
My lord, it's titled leave papers / light duty paper / sick leave paper, my lord.
They are titled
Leave.
Are they forms?
Yes, forms, my lord. Forms, my lord. They are forms.
Leave papers.
Sick leave
So-
paper light duty paper,
Light
sick,
duty paper
yes, and sick leave paper, my lord.
and sick leave
Leave
paper.
paper, yes, my lord.
Forms.
Yes, my lord.
All forms.
All completed and signed forms, my lord.
Yes.
Then we have the pay slip, my lord.
Now that is your second exhibit.
Document. Yes, my lord.
Pay
The-
slip.
Yes, the
Pay
pay
sheet.
slip. This pay slip is dated September 2022.
Dated September 2022. Whose pay slip is it?
The pay slip of the claimant, my lord. Apologies for that.
Claimants.
For the claimant.
Yes.
Then the last document is work time sheets.
Work time sheets. Is it sheet or sheets?
Sheets, my lord. They're all together, but the sheets, they're all together.
Okay.
Those are the three documents, my lord.
Now those have been front loaded, I believe.
Yes, my lord.
Claimant, have you seen these documents before?
Yes, I have. It was earlier forwarded to me by the defendant's counsel prior to today's sitting, so I have the privilege of seeing them.
These front-loaded documents before. Would you be objecting to their tendering as exhibits?
No, my lord, I do not object to the admission of the documents as exhibits.
I have no objection to admission as exhibits. All right. So I will exhibits D, 1A, B, C, and D. Exhibits D2, Now, I have listed those documents which you tendered,
As a completed.
marked them as exhibits D1, A, B, C, and D.
As a completed.
D2, exhibit D3, and exhibit D4, respectively.
As a
They are
completed.
all taken as read.
Completed.
As a completed.
Now, we shall, for the time being, use the front-loaded documents here with us to mark them. But as soon as you come back to the court, you give us the originals for
As a
proper
completed. As a
marking.
completed.
Thank you.
Mrs. Favor, where are the original of these documents?
The original of these documents are in the defendant's archive, and efforts to locate them have been futile. This is why we are presenting the photocopies.
The originals are with who?
They are in the defendant's archive,
With the defendant's archives.
and efforts to locate them have been futile.
Okay. Yes.
What
This
was
is why we're presenting the photocopies of the documents.
Yes.
What was the nature of the claimant's employment with the defendant?
What was the
Lord,
Yes, you have an observation, claimant counsel?
Yes, I do, I do, my lord.
And what is your observation?
My observation is that the nature of the question being immediately asked by the defendant's counsel cannot be sustained. He is trying to ask the nature of the employment. Those form the subject matter of the witness statements which is already before the court.
All right. If the witness has already adopted, there's no need for asking
My lord,
that.
it's just to clarify an important part of the case, my lord.
And what is the important? What's the
The
significance?
important part of the case is on the nature of the claimant's employment. It was employed specifically as a truck driver on the AKR site, the defendant's AKR site.
Yes.
So it wasn't employed specifically as a direct employee of the defendant. It was employed specifically on the AKR site. So
All right.
she just wants to explain that point. So I didn't. It wasn't a leading question.
Allow the witness to explain to that
As the
extent.
court pleases.
Yes.
Please go ahead.
Yes.
Favor,
Quickly.
please go ahead.
Okay.
Answer the question. Should I repeat the question?
Please repeat the question.
My question was, what was the nature of the claimant's employment with the defendant?
Okay, he was employed specifically for AKR Project Kaduna as a trailer driver.
The claimant was employed specifically.
Favor,
Or
answer
if-
the court.
Ma-
The court is asking you a question. Favor, can you answer?
He was employed specifically for AKR Project Kaduna as a trailer driver. Lord.
APR project.
AKR, my lord.
AKR
Yes, sir.
project in Kaduna.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
When you say AKR projects, can you explain?
Abuja Kanu.
My lord, I object to counsel's line of questioning.
What is your proposed objection? Yes.
The defendant witness has already adopted her witness statements on oath.
Yes.
And the question which is in sought, which is being asked, is contained. The answer for which the
It's
witness is contained in paragraph 2. And the letter of employment equally covers the nature of the letter of employment which was earlier tendered by the claimant, already covers for the question for which it's being answered.
Yes. So I get the point there to make. Then defense counsel.
Yes,
your witness
that's not correct. It's not in paragraph 2.
Listen, your witness has already adopted a witness testimony.
As the
Why
court pleases.
on separate testimony?
No, my lord, you just want, my lord, is
her oral testimony cannot change what is already contained there.
As the court pleases, I agree with that. My lord,
and you can't add weight, as a matter of fact.
As I didn't get.
You cannot add. Your oral testimony cannot add to whatever has been contained in the written statement. So why waste further meeting? Time on it.
As the court pleases, my lord, I'll take the hint of the court, my lord.
Yes, conclude.
What do you want this honorable court to do with your witness to your written statements?
I want the honorable court to admit my written statement as evidence on this case.
It has already been done.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
Yes. With your kind permission, my lord, may I proceed with the cross-examination?
No, just a minute. I'll have to change the device because my battery has run down. I had been trying to use my laptop to join before now, but it failed. But right now it has just come up. So please, just give me a moment.
There's a couple places.
Yes, very well. I think this is better now. Okay, let's continue. Clement, you want to cross-examine the witness?
Yes. Witness,
Yes, sir.
when the claimant was employed, he was formally issued a letter of employment, yes or no?
He was issued a letter of employment.
A letter of employment, yes or no?
Yes.
The answer is yes.
Was he, yes. Was he issued a letter terminating his appointment, yes or no?
Yes.
Do you have a copy of the letter? And where is it?
It's on my mail. I'll have to go and retrieve it.
So should I have your record as I will go and retrieve it?
Yes, that it's on her mail and she would have to go and retrieve it.
From my mail. Was that what you said?
That it's on her mail, is in her mail, in her mail,
Already,
in her mail.
Are you testifying as the
That the
witness?
letter is,
Allow me to find out whether the witness understands the question first and foremost. Now, do you have a copy of the letter of termination for the
I
claimant?
have a copy. I have a copy, my lord.
Is it in the court or where is it?
It's in the court, and I have a copy on my mail.
Okay. Yes. Next question.
does
Mr. Gokart. Mr. Gokart, are you there? Are you having trouble reconnecting?
my lord, I'm sorry to interrupt, my lord.
Yes.
I just wanted to inquire, the termination letter she's referring to, is not part of the document we front loaded. I don't know if since the a question has been asked in that regard, I don't know if it's possible for counsel to represent it, or it's too late for that. That's just the clarification I need.
That's not for me to determine. It's for the parties to determine what documents they seek to rely on.
As the court pleases.
Yes, Mr. Gokart, are you still there? Or do we take it you're done with the cross-examination? That way we can discharge this witness?
your company have an employee handbook or written termination? The defense, no, I am, have a termination. I object action of my questions. My lord, I object. My lord, can you hear me?
Are you sure we're not speaking to an AI?
No, I'm not, my lord. I'm not, my lord. She was hearing
What
me.
is your question to the witness
I'm
now?
asking. The question is that, does the defendant has a termination policy?
Does the defendant have a termination policy? Yes.
A termination policy. That's the question.
Yes, witness, can you answer?
Sorry, come again with the question.
Yes, can you break it down for her?
Does the defendant, do you have a termination policy where you work?
Yes, according to the internal
When
condition
an
of
employment
service.
is about to be terminated, is there a policy?
Yes, there is a policy according to the internal condition of service. Article 9, yes.
Hold on. Internal conditions of service, Article 9.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Your
Yeah.
company, yes, well, that it has been answered. It has been answered. Your company, the defendant equally has a duty to provide a safe working environment for its staff. Am I correct?
Yes.
And
Hold on.
and
Yes.
can you confirm that employees are required to receive safety trainings?
Sorry, can you clarify your question?
Can you confirm that employees at your workplace are required to receive safety trainings?
They are.
Are those safety trainings documented?
Yes.
All right. You remember that I'm writing.
Do you have any documentation showing same?
Remember that
They
I'm writing. Okay? Mr. Gokat, are you sure we're not talking to an AI? I'm not certain. Are you there?
I'm hearing you. Yes, I'm hearing you quite clearly.
The session is a bit
I'm
robotic.
here. I'm hearing you, and she is.
It's a bit robotic. I don't think. Mr. Gokat, now the last question I have from you is
Yes.
that employees at your workplace are required to receive safety trainings. And she answered yes. Mr. Gokat?
Yes. Yes, I'm with you, my lord.
Now, what is the next question
Yes.
after that?
The next questions. Are those safety trainings documented?
Yes, your response?
They are documented with the health department, health and safety department.
With the health and safety department.
And so you do
And
not
they are
have
equally handed driver's handbook, safety handbook.
And they are handed driver safety handbook.
Yes, sir. Yes, my lord.
Yes?
Yes. You are HR and admin officer. Am I correct? An administrative
Yes,
officer.
Yes, sir.
And as an administrative officer, you are often not present at sites. Am I correct?
Is the witness there?
Sorry.
She
Come
is,
again
my
with your
lord.
question, sir.
Did you hear the question that as an admin officer, you are not present at sites?
I receive reports from timekeepers and supervisors regarding every activity on site, sir.
I receive reports from timekeepers.
And supervisors.
From sites.
Yes, my lord.
Daily.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Yes. Paper. Yes. Mr. Gokat.
Is it part of the document you tendered?
Are such reports part of the documents you have tendered? Is that the question? Mr. Gokart, oh dear. The claimant's network has been so erratic and has really made these proceedings quite difficult to. Excuse me. Thank you. Now, I don't know for how long we can wait for him. Defense counsel? Mr. Abbas?
Well, I didn't hear you, my lord.
I don't know for how long we can wait for your colleague.
Lord, I really don't understand him. It seems to still be online, but it's just that he is not.
Can you communicate with him on chat and ask him whether he's still interested in asking more questions, or
We'll do that immediately. We'll do that immediately, my lord.
or does he want an adjournment in view of the fact that the network might be a bit problematic on his end?
As the cop.
Hello? Hello?
My lord is back. I can hear him clearly now.
I'm back. I'm back.
Well, welcome back, Mr.
Yeah,
Gokart.
I'm experiencing a network glitch in my office.
Okay,
My
just
apologies, my lord.
yes, before you even proceed, you only have 25 more minutes to finish your cross-examination. 25 minutes.
I will soon be done.
Very well then. Yes?
I will soon be done. My lord, may I, with your kind permission, please have the records of the last question that was asked.
Last question you asked was, as an admin officer, you are not present at sites. Which she responded by saying, I receive reports from timekeepers and supervisors from sites daily. Did you get that?
Yes,
Mr.
I have.
Now, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, I'm with you, my lord. Defendant's witness. So all that you've testified to, you were only told of the events that transpired on site. Yes or no?
Yes.
You were only told of the events that transpired on site.
It was, I received reports.
You answered yes or no. That's
I
the
received
response.
reports.
You were only told of the events that transpired on site. It's a yes or no question. You were only told of the events because you are not on site. You were only told of the events that transpired on site. Yes or no?
I received reports
Because
of events
you are
that
an
transpired on
admin
site.
officer. You were only told of the events answer. It's a yes or no question. Yes or no. You were only told of the events that transpired on site because you were in the office.
My lord, if I may,
All
my,
events are on that record, sir.
he wants to. She's.
My lord, is a yes or no.
She can answer the
It's
question.
close-ended question.
She can answer. She can explain, and that's what she's doing. She's explaining the context.
Mr. Khalid,
As a couple,
My lord,
mute your microphone. Allow him to cross-examine the witness. Yes.
Because
the response I have
because
on
you were
record
not
is
on
that
site.
I received reports of events that transpired at sites. Mr. Gokat?
Yes. The next question, my lord, is because she's not on site, she was only told of what transpired on site. Yes or no?
All work reports are documented and submitted to the wages. So they are all recorded.
Yes, Gokat.
How long after the accident was it reported to you?
How long after the accident was the incident reported?
Then reported to her as the administrative officer.
Yes.
Clarify your question, please, sir.
Mr. Gokat, you've been asked for clarification.
How long after the accident? My lord, it's a clear question. How long after the accident was the incident reported to her as the administrative officer?
The accident was reported on the same day.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you have a copy of the report? Was it part of the document you tendered in court? Was the report a part of the document you tendered, the report of the accident? You tendered in court?
The accident report was not part of the document.
Was an internal investigation conducted to ascertain what occasioned the accident or otherwise?
Yes. Was an internal investigation done to ascertain
Investigation conducted to ascertain what caused the accident.
I know there was an accident, but the claimant did not make any report as to what caused the accident.
But an accident was reported. You had earlier said an accident was reported to you. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
The next question is, was an internal investigation conducted to ascertain the cause of the accident? Yes or no? If yes, say yes. If no, say no.
Well, are you thinking or?
My lord, she's not answering the question.
Sorry, ask the question. Sorry, please, ask the question again.
Why are you stunned? Why are you stunned? What's the problem?
I didn't hear what he said correctly.
Investigation conducted to ascertain.
Was there an internal investigation into the cause of the accident? I guess that's the question being asked.
Yes,
The
ma'am, but that's the
accident.
question.
The accident was reported, but the claimants never reported any.
That is not the question. Was an internal investigation
Maybe
conducted to
Gokat, you need
ascertain
to
the cause?
reframe your question. Reframe it again. Did the defendant conduct an investigation? I think.
Did Julius Berger Nigerian PLC? Did Julius Berger Nigerian PLC conduct an internal investigation to ascertain the cause of the accident?
Yes.
My lord, she's not answering the question.
I did not hear what you said.
Witness. Was an internal investigation conducted by Julius Berger Nigerian PLC to ascertain the cause of the accident? Yes or no?
He did not make any report.
Yes or no? Did Julius Berger conducted an internal investigation? Yes or no? Time is running out. Please
He did not make any report. The staff has
question.
access to the wages and HR personnel. He did not make any report.
Do you have any incident report? Do you have any incident report in respect of the accident?
Yes.
Do you have any incident report in respect of the accident?
So can you hear me?
Do you
Yes,
have any
I can.
reports with regards to the accident that occurred? Any incident reports? Witness, is there any incident reports?
Any incident report, as in the documented report from the site?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Witness. Is there any incident report?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Are they part of the documents that were tendered in court?
Yes, the medical report.
Incident report of the accident scene, not the medical reports. Incident report of the accident scene, not the claimant's medical report.
The medical report is the incident report.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Gokat, are you still with us? Mr. Gokat? All right. I think on this note, it will be proper for us to adjourn this matter since the Claimants Council does not seem to be able to communicate effectively because of one reason or the other. All other participants here don't seem to have any problem with their network except for Mr. Gokat. and actually has just 10 minutes on the clock to complete his cross-examination. So unless he wants to adjourn the matter and have the 10 minutes to appropriate for cross-examining this witness on the next adjourned date, there will be no need for...
He's back. He's back.
Today.
He's
Mr.
back.
Pocket, are you here with us now?
Mr. Gokat.
In the meantime, can you suggest dates for us for an adjournment? So while we look at that, we consider whether diary
of the defendant's witness.
Already is back. You say that's all?
My lord, I'm back. I'm back.
Already is back.
I've got a few questions.
Gokat, you just have
My lord,
10
I'm back.
You have only 10 minutes. 10 minutes left.
My lord. Okay.
Okay.
My lord, I will take it that he has answered no to the questions asked so far.
You have just 10 minutes left to cross-examine the witness, okay?
Okay. May I be guided by the record of the last question that was asked me?
Last question was, is it tendered in court? And then the answer is the medical report is the incident report.
Can you provide any maintenance log or inspection records of the vehicle that was involved in the accident? Do you have any?
Yes, witness.
Sorry, come again with your question.
Do you have any maintenance log or inspection records of the vehicle in question?
I don't understand this question, sir.
Do you have a maintenance log as an admin officer or inspection record for the vehicle that was involved in the accident?
I could find out, but I do not have it with me. But I could find out.
You do not have it. I don't. My lord, she has answered the question.
Please proceed.
How often are safety inspections conducted on the site of the defendant? How often do you conduct safety inspections on your site?
We have safety officers on site every day.
And who was supervising the claimant at the time the accident occurred?
What was the question again? Who was
supervising the claimant as at the time the accident occurred?
The accident happened long ago, so I can't remember.
I don't know.
I have it as I don't remember.
I don't remember. Did the supervisor that you do not remember his name report any behavior or condition against the claimant prior to the incident? Formally,
can you clarify that question? I don't.
Did the supervisor that you do not remember his name against the claimant prior to the accident?
I don't understand this question.
The question is ambiguous. Even to me, I can't make sense of the question you just asked. Do you care to reframe that question, Mr. Gokat?
Okay. Okay, my lord, may I simply, in view of the network glitch, may I just go to the concluding questions?
All right.
Do you have a formal account? Do you have a formal account department at Julius Berger? Yes or no?
Yes.
And because you have a formal account, payments for salaries made can be found in the records of that account. Yes or no?
Please rephrase that question, sir.
Payments made to staff can be found in the records of the accounts of Julius Berger.
Only accessible to wages department.
So you do not have any bank transfer showing that the claimant was paid for the relevant month prior to his disengagement.
We have pay slips.
Bank records evidencing the payment. Do you have any?
The pay slip is the
Yes.
record that evidence the
No.
payment.
No.
You have 2 minutes left.
As the call, please, I was just about to ring your lord.
You have 2 minutes left. Your time will end at 1:48, by which time you would have to forfeit your right to cross-examine this witness. All right. It's almost time.
My lord, I can re-examine just a bit, 2 questions.
No, you cannot. You cannot, because he has not finished. I
No,
have not ended the session yet.
My lord.
Yes, go ahead.
My lord, the last question which I asked was whether she had a bank transfer record showing that the claimant was paid for the relevant month prior to his disengagement. If she answers the question, it
The
would
bank
be
pay sheets
for her.
evidence the payments. That's what her response is.
Okay. So it presupposes that there is no bank record, not the pay sheet, my lord. My question was in respect of bank transfer record, not pay sheet. So it means there is no bank transfer record, yes or no? After that, that would be all for you. There is no bank transfer record, yes or no?
There is bank transfer record.
Is it before? Are they part of the documents you tendered before the court?
I tendered the
yes
pay
or
slip.
no? Bank transfer record, not the payslip. Is the bank transfer record part of the documents you tendered before the court? Stop being funny.
I tendered
the bank transfer
payslip.
record part of the document you tendered? The bank transfer record that I asked you of, is it part of the documents you tendered before the court? Yes or no? You tendered payslip. I'm aware you tendered the payslip. Are the bank transfer record part of the document you tendered? Yes or no?
That is only provided by the bank of the claimant. We give them payslip.
I am asking you, I am aware that you have given him payslip. Are the bank transfer records, since Julius Berger has a formal accounts department, do you have a bank transfer record showing that the claimant was paid for the relevant months? You said, I know there is a pay slip, but do you have a bank transfer record evidencing the payment?
That is only provided by the bank.
So you do not, your bank transfer records are not part of the documents you tendered, yes or no? To show that he was paid.
I
Yes or
tendered the
no?
pay slip.
I am saying that your bank transfer records are not part of the documents. I'm aware you tendered the pay slip, but I'm saying that your bank transfer records are not part of documents you tendered. Yes or no?
I tendered the pay slip.
I am aware you tendered the pay slip.
I tendered pay slip.
Did you
and
tender
bank
bank transfer records? No, I am asking you of bank transfer records. Since Julius Berger has an accounts department, do you have bank transfer records?
What bank transfer records?
Okay, Mr. Gokat, I believe the answer to the question is rhetoric. I don't know why you chose to dwell on that for the past 2 minutes or so, but you've actually exhausted your time. By my counter, 40 minutes has gone since you began the cross-examination. That is satisfactory. I've given you extra time. Injury time for the period for which the network wasn't so good, which you have also exhausted. I've been a good umpire to you.
As the court pleases.
I'm not complain anymore.
As the court pleases.
On that note, I believe the cross-examination session has ended.
As the court pleases.
Now, do you have any questions for re-examination?
Yes, I do, my lord. A few.
Let me hear what you have to say first and foremost.
My lord, the questions.
What question do you have to ask?
My question is, are the payments, the salary of the employees, are they paid before the issuance of the pay slip?
That's a new issue.
Oh, my lord, they raised the question about the pay slip.
That is a new issue.
My lord,
He would have to cross-examine again on that. So,
my lord, I don't have any re-examination.
all right, thank you, Neil. Yes, witness, you are hereby discharged.
As the court pleases.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you. Yes, Mr. Khalid or Abbas?
Yes, my lord. A date for adoption of final written addresses.
Are you done? You want to close your case?
We want to apply to close our case. That's our only witness, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Where is he? Gokat. Do you want to address the court, defendants?
As the court pleases, my lord, I don't know the date that is convenient for the courts. I think by the rules we have 21 days from the proceedings.
All right. So you take 21 days?
Yes, my lord. 21 days to file our written address.
I will grant the claimants also 21 days.
As the court pleases.
Let me see. I'll probably have to give you another 7 days to see if you'll come up with any reply, if necessary.
Reply?
In case you want to, it's your prerogative. After the claimants.
Yes, at the court pleases, definitely, my lord.
Like I said, it's your prerogative.
Yes. Yeah, we'll definitely reply.
Don't go and file rubbish just because you've been anything.
As the court pleases, my lord.
I want to see Donogo versus Stevenson.
As the court pleases.
All right, we'll be giving you the clearest date we have now will be the 29th of October for adoption of final written addresses.
My lord, I don't know if we can get a date early November just to be safe, because I might not be in the country around that period, my lord. So just early November will be better for me, my lord.
3rd November. Is that fine?
My lord, 3rd November. 3rd November is convenient, my lord. 3rd November is
All right.
convenient. My lord, just to clarify, it's the adoption, is it going to be virtual too? And the
You can,
judgment.
you can write a short note and address it to the court clerk. I hereby adopt. I don't want to be in court.
My lord, I want to be in court, my lord. I want to be in court.
Mr. Edgar is there. You have so many ways to adopt. You
My
can
lord,
tell the Claimants Council that you
I will come personally. It's not a problem. I will come personally. No issues,
just
my lord.
write a note. I hereby
But
adopt my final
I've
advocate.
taken the hint of the court, my lord. I'll
I
be there.
don't want to see the face of the courts or the judge or the parties.
As the court pleases, my lord. I've taken the hint, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
3rd November 2025 for adoption of final written addresses.
As the court pleases.
See you then.
As the court pleases. Thank you.
Any more applications?
No applications, my lord. None.
Very well then. Have a lovely day.
You too, my lord.
Let's go, please.